Hey there, my name is Mark, your promoter, and today I'm going to tell you all about LG WashTower, a digitally integrated washer and dryer in a vertical one-body unit. And where do we start? It's got to be this incredible center control, which, if you think about it, just makes sense. Now, I'm 6'2", but for most people, the top panel can be a real pain. Center control is where you can actually see and reach without tiptoeing or getting on a stool. And one panel instead of two saves that much more space in your laundry room and makes this compact and elegant design. Beautiful, isn't it? We're getting rave reviews from everyone. But you know what's really amazing about center control? It gets my washer and dryer talking to each other. So the dryer knows what the washer is doing. It pulls the setting from downstairs so you don't have to. Pretty smart, right? Well, that's just the start. WashTower uses AI to detect what and how much I put inside. And I can put a whole lot in there. So it can automatically figure out the optimal wash pattern for that load, which also reduces fabric damage. And in the dryer, that same AI works to reduce drying time by a whopping 22%. It's a learning intelligence too, which means it gets even better as you use it. So, once you've run your go-to setting a few times, like I always go for extra rinse, WashTower learns your preferences. Then it'll have that as default when you next press normal. Which is what we do most of the time anyway, right? Seriously, you'll love this one. Add to WashTower's awesome intelligence some serious power. Turbo Wash 360 jetting spray from 5 directions. WashTower can power through your load in just 30 minutes. Of course, WashTower is as thorough as it is fast. LG's amazing steam technology gives you hygiene care in the washer to get rid of all that nasty stuff. Up in the dryer, you can use turbo steam to freshen up your shirts, wrinkles, smells, and all, in only 10 minutes. And for all this, WashTower's long durable inverter direct drive motor comes with a 10-year warranty, which is our way of helping you cut waste and build a better life for all. So, this is one masterpiece, from powerful washing and drying performance to incredible intelligence, durability, and even this fantastic design, sure to completely transform your laundry game. This is LG WashTower, your choice for a better life.